Let's talk about Maximo 7.6. End of service life is coming up very quickly here, September 2025. And the 7.6 extended support, sustained support, what does that mean? What happens if I go off of support? When do I have to upgrade? How do I have to upgrade? Lots of great questions. And of course, it's a little bit fuzzy around all of this. So let's try and give some clarity to this. And by the way, if you're watching this video and it is not after August 7th or August 4th, 2025, then you should go to Maximo World, August 4th to 7th, 2025, because a lot of the people who are behind creating these scenarios and have the deep, detailed answers will be there. Now, that said, let's talk about what support means from an IBM context. Standard product support. You have full access to the help desk. They're going to take your call. They're going to determine if you need help figuring out how to use the software. They're going to support and figure out if there is potentially a configuration problem or a bug in the software. And if there is something that requires a security patch, they're going to run that down, and they're going to tell you how it's going to be resolved. In some cases, some things are new feature requests, and those will be put in parking lots, but they're going to tell you. When we get into the extended support model, what that really means is we are not taking any new feature requests, and we are not releasing any more feature packs. The functionality you have is going to remain static. The period of extended support is determined by IBM. They initially announced it's going to be 1 year available of extended support on 7.6. That might change. There's a lot of discussion. The community is always talking about this, and based upon the numbers of people who are upgrading versus not upgrading, IBM considers extending that. Now, of course, this is partially a financial decision. If I have 2,000 customers trying to buy extended support, then I'm more incentivized to extend it. So they might decide to extend it beyond the year. Let's see. But what do you get with it? As I said, you're not getting any new features, but you will get fix packs, and you will get security patches, and you will get phone support for the product. When extended support ends and you move into sustained support, then it is effectively critical security patches only. That's it. So why? Why would you pay for sustained support? Why would you even pay for extended support? The answer is that you are retaining the value of your Maximo licenses, and you're retaining the right to upgrade those. If you don't pay for support, then you will be repurchasing those licenses when you do decide to move to the next version. And there's going to be some calculation there. There's going to be some math going, how many years am I going to pay for this? And yeah, there's going to be a point where it probably doesn't make sense to pay for it. But if you're in a large enterprise, if security is critical to you, if there's, let's say, zero tolerance for risk on the security side, then you're going to do it. You're going to pay for it, because that's what IBM's saying they will keep up with, security side. So that's the different support models. That's what you get within it. And if you haven't already looked at the 7.6 upgrade on paper, that's the next step. That's the part you can do now, even if you don't actually upgrade the product. So your 7.6 model is on users. Your mass model is going to be on app points. Now, IBM does have a calculator. They call it the magic scripts. Run some SQL scripts, and it comes back and it says, you're roughly going to need this many app points. We at Banetti have taken the core of those magic scripts and added on some additional logic. And when we're allowed to use it, some AI help in terms of crunching the data. And we're seeing reductions of up to 40% in what the magic scripts recommend. And so at first that sounds like, oh, those magic scripts are wrong. No, it's not that they're wrong. It's just that they didn't evaluate a bunch of additional data points that would change the answer. Up to what they evaluated, it's absolutely correct. Evaluate a whole bunch of other additional scenarios, and then the picture starts to change. So what we've done is gone very deep on that. So if you're still on 7.6 on user licenses, looking to move to app points, that you should do sooner than later. That's a significant change for you, even if you are not yet upgraded on the actual application side. Of course, it's complex, it's deep water, but you know what? That's why we're here day in and day out, helping you do two things. Number one, keep your costs under control, while number two, achieving the most you can out of the software. So if you want to understand more about the support models, you want to understand how you can optimize your user to app point conversion, hey, let's talk. If you haven't figured it out yet, there's still questions out there, and that's what we're here for. Give us a call, shoot us an email, sales@banetti.com, like, subscribe, let's chat, get ready with Banetti.